As we continue on, we're now going to cover our head and neck anatomy, which will move on to our lymphatic system. So it's important to remember that the lymphatic system is actually part of your circulatory system. It's not just your arteries and blood vessels, but we also want to think about our lymphatic system when we're thinking about the circulatory system. So important note here, our function of the lymphatic system is to play a key role in your immune system. So what does it do? It helps fight disease by ridding your body of toxins, and it also responds to foreign antigens in the tissue's fluids. So our terminology that I want you to be very familiar with before taking your national boards, we have our lymph. So the lymph is actually the tissue fluid that drains into lymphatic vessels from surrounding regions. So you're